What the hell kind of monkey shit? Okay guys, remember, don't buy a Daymak pit hog. Whatever you do, stay away from Daymak, just period. So, we're going to try to get this bike fixed up and ready for winter. It's getting to that time. Try to give it some back brakes since it now has completely no back brakes. They broke all the clips. All the clips are broken. It's cracked. I'm going to try to button this up as good as I can. I've already taped up, where can you see it? The throttle, which they broke. Some black electrical tape. I'll try to do a better job, but it's pretty well. And it'll have a winter cover over it for the winter anyway, so which they'll probably go on today. And we can see a better look at the welding job, because I'm going to take the seat completely off and see what I can fix that Daymak has completely screwed up. So again, remember, don't buy Daymak. Unfortunately, I got to ride this piece of crap all winter long, because I'm not going to use the beautiful Teo Gemini in the winter. Screw Daymak. Okay, the seat is off. Ugh. Oh my god, look at the weld job. Holy crap. What the hell kind of monkey shit is that? I can kind of feel a divot right there. Holy fudgers. Oh, it's all cracked around there too. Oh, you guys have, oh, you bunch of idiots at Daymak. Jesus. Could have at least put extra braces in, you bunch of morons. No, Ken can't fix anything. Ken's the moron at Daymak, so, yeah. Stitching. Okay. I got it zipped up pretty good. She's, seems to be a lot better than how it was when I first got it back anyways. At least everything is. I had to kind of customize the ignition there. And I can crank it anyway. Take the key out. Oh. Steering lock works again. Jesus. I ain't an e-bike technician, but I think I can fix e-bikes a hell of a lot better than freaking Daymak. Pretty sure I got some decent back brakes there now. I'm gonna bleed them one more time. I'm going to change this and put, well, I'm going to leave it the way it is, but put Daymak underneath. Okay, the winter beater is all set up and ready for the winter. That is, if I don't die and the frame snaps in half. Get the good old hand warmers on. I still gotta get some zip ties and just zip tie it up along the handlebars there. I just used all the zip ties I had trying to fix this bike. Fixing the back fender. Now the back fender, my back fender started doing this, so did Tipsy's too. I guess it's a known pit hog thing. I did not put that there. That was Daymak. I put that big bolt there. Idiots. Especially Ken. So, the bike, the winter beater is all good. I love these little pouches because they got pockets right here that you can zip. You can put about 3 beers in each side for storage. Brakes are bled. Tires are pumped up. Yeah, and a piece of crap winter beater. Heck yeah, remember, don't buy Daymak. Don't buy from Daymak. Don't deal with Daymak. Yeah. So that's going to be all from that video, guys. I'm probably taking this to work today to give it a shot. See what happens. See if I die. I will die at some point. The frame's going to snap in half. Guaranteed. You've seen that welding job. Hell yeah, guys. That's going to be it of that video. Have a great day. Make sure you stay tipsy, stay tripping, and stay doing what you love. Cheers, y'all.